Hi, my name is Phil Hoff. I am one of the operations managers here at Able Engineering, and this week we have gone through some Kaizen training. Three really big things that I took out of this. One of which is developing the visual management tracking for our operations, which was very enlightening for us. It opened up our eyes to waste and movement, so we were able to combine other areas together by seeing that simply by writing it all down. Another very bright spot that we got out of this was our skills matrix. So now we're able to see very quickly the skills of our operators so we can move people back and forth real quickly. Another real big huge thing that we got and I got was the morale training. So the morale was it was fun, it was enlightening, it broke down barriers, it emptied our minds, it allowed us to start new every day. So, and I guess there is a fourth one, and that's a lot of personal improvement that I've gotten. I've learned to much more look at myself and make personal changes and growth for myself so I can help lead my people and show them and empower them so they know they are the leaders of the company and they can achieve every improvement by themselves and they don't need my hand. I will be there to help them and I'll teach them to get it through it, but they are learning on their own to get better, to make the company better.
I have a tendency to direct teams to a solution, and an aha moment for me was to allow the teams to come up with a solution. Seeing them work through that was an eye-opener for myself a couple times this week. Stimulating their minds and asking why and allowing them to come through with a solution or not from the idea was an awesome experience. And to see that real time was well worth the week with the Kaizen.
For me, this week was really exciting to see the engagement of the team. We have a large shop with lots of mixed experience as far as our workers, and it was really great for me to see the constant improvement that we started from Monday through the end of the week on Friday, and to see where we came as a team. And through there we learned new management tools, we learned a skill matrix tool, and my takeaway personally would be to pursue that constant improvement and break down the walls and start each day forgetting about the previous past, start fresh today, and to just consistently look for that constant improvement. So I thought this was a great experience.
Applying these principles, we are now seeing much better results where we're actually seeing a lot more time available to spend time thinking about new ways, better ways to do things, make our processes better. We didn't have that time before, but now it's starting to uncover a lot of capacity so that we can, continue to get better. And the attitudes of the guys coming to work, seeing a winning atmosphere, winning spirit on the team, that's just it's just the wind in their sails to continue to come to work every day and give their best effort. As a leader, I feel like if they see me applying these principles and they see that I have a positive attitude about it, they follow right along with me.
I learned another kind of aha moment. So I got to see the purchasing department, which I pretty much built from the ground up, begin to transform to a more visual state. So we had this system set up that was on the computer that we all thought was going really good, and then we were able to put it visually on a board and realize that we were able to cut down the lead time on most of these jobs that we were looking at. So it was a great change for us. So, and something I learned last time was personally finding out that you need to let go sometimes and let the other people kind of take the reins and go with it. And we've done a lot more of that lately. But what that's allowing me to do is free up more time so I can devote more time to Kaizen to get more improvements in, to get even bigger, better results.